Hey friends, Julie here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to decorate this black galvanized DIY tiered tray for fall. If you want to see how I made this tiered tray, make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video for a quick tutorial. Now to begin, I am just taking a scrap piece of this black checkered scarf that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just laying it down on the side. And I'm also going to be using this fall floral pick that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I just bent the metal pick part, and I am going to stick that part underneath the scarf so it can't be seen, but you can still see the flower. And then decorating the tray is pretty simple. I'm just going to use a few different pumpkins. They are from either the Target Dollar Spot or the Dollar Tree, and also a couple of acorns that I picked up. This one happens to be from the Target Dollar Spot. And you'll see that I like to balance everything, so the acorn that's on that side, I'm going to put an acorn on the other side as well. And this pumpkin actually used to have a clip on the bottom of it. It came in a set of 4 from the Dollar Tree, as well as this pumpkin, which has a little metal wire. And I like the size of these because they're kind of miniature pumpkins, and they work well with making groupings in a tray or a small vignette. Now, I am taking part in a collab that is hosted by Sherry from Pretty Simple Sherry and Christy from Inspired Living with Christy. It is called Something for All Seasons, and they do this every season. And for the fall, they asked us to either do a haul, a vignette, a tablescape, or a house tour. I chose to do the vignette by decorating my tiered tray. Now, I will have a link to a playlist down in the description box, so be sure to go check it out so you can see all the other amazing fall videos that will be part of the collab. Now I did decide to add this strand of LED lights that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hide the battery box underneath the floral pick so that it can't be seen, but it can be easily gotten to when I need to turn it on and off. And I wanted to add something because it's the bottom of a tiered tray. It tends to be really dark because there's a top of it, so I thought winding this strand of lights in and out of the bottom would brighten it up, and it really did, and I actually love the way that this turned out, and I'm really glad that I did it. And I also would recommend these strands for $1. You cannot beat the price. They are really bright, and I loved how the wire was super bendable. Now for decorating the top, I'm going to keep it really, really simple. I'm just going to take this small green wreath and I'm just going to lay it on the top. And then I picked up a couple of these velvet pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. I picked up an orange one and a white one, and I decided to use the orange. I love the contrast of the orange against the green. It was just so bright and it really felt like fall. And it was easy to just set it in there. It actually is a nice little nest for the pumpkin. And I also picked up this little metal harvest sign from the Dollar Tree as well. It did come with a 3-pack. It was Thankful, Harvest, and Welcome, I believe. I had seen some black galvanized steel pieces at both Pottery Barn and Kirkland's and decided to DIY a tiered tray myself. You will need 2 different size cake pans and a candle stand, and all I did was paint them black with chalk paint. There really is no right or wrong to this process. You want it to look like it is a weathered piece of black steel, and it should look like the silver seal is showing through in spots, especially around the edges where there would naturally be more wear. So to get this effect, I just cut a little piece of a sponge, and now that it is painted black, I'm going to take a light gray chalk paint and I'm just going to sponge paint it all around the inside and the edges. Then once that is slightly dried, I'm actually going to go back with the black and cover up some of those spots so that there's only a little bit of area showing through, and it looks like the silver is showing through the black, not the black showing through the silver.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking
Once all the pieces have been painted, it's just a matter of assembling it. I use hot glue for a quick hold, and then I use the E6000 for the permanent hold.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me.
Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you like home decor and DIY videos. And if you're looking for more fall decor videos, please check out my fall playlist here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a blessed day.